What you're about to learn in this video is how to use kicks against punches. First things first, you don't want to engage with the boxer. I want to slug, slug, slug. If you slug too, you're slugging too, boom, somebody can get caught. That's why the Muay femur is looked at as the more technical IQ. You use your brain. First things first, he's coming forward. I'm going to be on my back foot the whole time. But if it's too close, that little leg raise, that's how you can freeze them to get more room. He's coming forward. I hit him with that one, pop, pop, and I'm already using my footwork. By the time he gets here, I have enough room to body kick. Let's try it again. He's coming forward, I'm backing up, whop, yab, yab, step. As soon as he turns, wham, I'm body kick. But if you notice, when I body kick, I don't go flat footed. I kicked, wham, bomb. I'm here on my back foot. That way I can move again. Come on, you coming? Good. Yap, yap, move. Up, move, bomb, back down. Ready for some more. Yes, I'm walking forward. Yes, good turn. When he turned, what did I have to do? I had to slightly turn. And for that split second, what can you do? Wham, good. Another good handy thing that I want you to start doing, you too, is when you take that angle, because he's coming forward aggressively, you should kick punch. These guys aren't worried about it. They're not thinking. If I'm coming forward aggressively, he leg kick, wham, I'm trying to punch straight through it. Of course, they'll add up eventually, but that's a risk reward. And if the guy's like that, Tito, and he's not thinking, he's a buffalo head, you can break him down just with points. Okay, but this is the way you're going to do it. So you got to be able to move back on that back foot faster. Bop, there we go. And when you take that punch, depending on how fast I'm moving and depending on your range, you're going to kick punch. If you kick and I'm still moving forward, you kick punch. Boom! That's going to give you that split second to get room. If you can stop me here, if you can kick, wham, and go back, that's good. You don't have to worry about kick punch. Make sense? All right, so let's run through it a couple times. So you're backing up, quick leg raise, touch jab, taking that angle, and you're stepping back and you're body kicking or you kick punch. All right, this is the first way to neutralize that boxer. The leg raise. There we go, bam. To give yourself room, if you're backing up in that straight line, I would do my leg raise before I do my turn. Because if you do the turn, you haven't froze me yet. So when you turn, I'm gonna turn. I'll be coming forward. There we go. Bam. But really sell it though, good. Boom. There we go. Up, fine. Too close. Kick punch on that one. Yeah. Kick. I need the fake. Give me the fake. Give me the fake. Too close. Too close. Back up. Back. There we go. There we go. Bam. Bam. There we go. Up. I need a longer jab. Go long. Bang. Bang. Remember, you keeping them away. Keeping them away. You two guys keep them away with a long jab. And it can't be soft because he wants to run through it. We have to think ahead of them. They're using pure aggression and power punches. We're moving like jazz. They're moving like heavy metal, comparatively speaking. Oop. No, look, see right now, you're circling too close. Do what you just did. Look how close you are. You didn't make no room. You in my range of punches. Give yourself a little bit of room before you turn. You just don't back up, back up, back up and turn. Do it when it's necessary. This is where the IQ come in. So you want to turn, okay, that's better, that's better. When you're making that turn, Bob, we can go here, go parallel, and then give yourself a little bit more room. Got it? Let's go slow. That's a little bit better. How you feel?
Good.
Yes, that's how you really get some room. Let's try that again. You try it again at home also. Back up, back up, back up. I would say go parallel with your feet for that split second and then take that angle. Practice that with that quarter turn. Bop, bop, now you have much more room. Now you can operate from there. Bop, whatever, bang, bang, there we go. So remember on that one, when you're backing up in a straight line, if they're too close, leg raise, jab, that's gonna buy you some time. You back up some more, you take an angle with these feet, with your feet parallel, and then you just step out. That's gonna buy you a lot of room. Yeah, but it's a boom, 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 backing up, get back. Now step, step, I got room. As soon as he makes that angle, you kick punch, bang, bang. That's a good one. Kick punch or the double kick. Bang, and then two. Bang, bang, there we go. Give yourself room. And remember, and you remember this at home also, you're gonna try to kick his arms. You have a lot of room right now. That means you can take a bigger step. So when you take that bigger step in, you can really turn. There we go. No, too close. Look, 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 look. Give yourself room for the fake. Bop, bop. That'll work. Okay, then wham across it. Up, bang. Yep, that's very good. Give yourself room. You're going to back up in a straight line. If he's too close, leg raise, jab. Go parallel with my stance. Take that route out and then cook. Yeah, give yourself room. There you go. Bam, bam. There we go. There you take that angle. Oh, bam, bam. There we go. You're a matador. He's a bull. He wants to. So why would I stand here and try to jab? Man, as soon as you try to jab, he wham, 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 wham. And now that hurts. So you got to keep him away the whole time. Make him frustrated. So now, Tito, I'm going to have you give me the same good range that we just went over, but do that knee guard and stop him. And look for the control of the hands. So when you kick, bam, make sure that your chin is down and make sure you're looking to grab his hands. If you can't grab his hands, grab his neck, extend with the hip, and make sure that that leg is back at an angle so he can't sweep you. Kick here, but I'm trying to hold it. Where's my leg at? Right under me, right? So can you kick that leg out? Whoop! Yep, you can sweep. So guys, when you're doing this, you put that across his waist, you got to make sure that you extend. So they can't clip that back leg and put you down. Good. Look at that room. Bam. There we go. Good. Cross his don't. There we go. Bam. Good. Hold it. 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 He's a puncher. Chin down. Chin down. Chin down. Chin down. Good. There we go. There we go. Break. Let's freestyle a little bit. I want to see what you can do against somebody that's really trying to punch your head off. You don't want to engage and meet them at their level. He might be a world-class boxer with big, strong hands. Do you want to box with somebody like that? No. So you have to use your IQ. You have to use your mind. This is with IQ training. Yep, there we go. There we go. Good. There we go. Good. Oh, I got you in the corner now. Break. Oh, that hurt. That hurt him. Yeah, it did. Oh! Better keep the distance. Better keep the distance. Oh, there we go. Good. Right across the arms, though, son. Good. Good. There we go. I did good. Good. Hold it. There we go. Keep it tight. Across the arms. It's understandable to be here from the pocket, left kick, and like touch real quick because it's a quick point. But if he's trying to come through and knock your head off, you're going to have to turn that hip a little bit more. The idea is to get him back. So if you left kick, wham, yes. Kick across his arms. You too, kick across his arms with that left kick. Kick across his arms with that right kick. Double kick and kick punch. That's how we're going to stop him with the kicks. Let's go with the left kick now. Whoop, whoop, bang. There we go. He wants to punch, get a good distance. Bang, there we go. If you notice, I'm not throwing punches right now because I'm not in range. Tito's taking his half a step back. Perfect. I'm not in range to punch. A real boxer is going to get his feet set. He's going to get close before he throws his combination. But right now, you're doing great with your range because I can't even get close enough to touch you to start my combination. He's using his legs, which is longer. So very good, son. Very nice. You see, there we go. Don't let me, well, watch that hand, though. There we go. Look at the target. Put it across the arm. You don't have to kick so high. It's a knee. There we go. Bang. There we go. Yep. Here I come. Oh, good. Put it here. Good cell phone. Very nice. Good. Yep. Good. Doop. Very nice. Very good. So those were fundamental tips that you can use against a heavy puncher by using your kicks, keeping that long range. This next video is going to give you a little bit more further instructions about Muay Thai footwork and how to implement it. Also, to get early access of the full-length video of this tutorial, click the link in the description or in the pinned comments and subscribe to the KMA Online Muay Thai Training Program. We know you'll enjoy it.